Welcome everyone, and firstly I wanted to notice that right here in my country I'm going to be posting this video early in the morning, and later in the evening I'll be posting a video where from a platform, from a broker, if you make your first deposit, they'll be giving you a reward of $10, which is withdrawable. You can withdraw it. You don't not into your trading account. You'll be getting rewarded with $10 if you make deposit before Monday. Now, I'll be dropping the updates later in the evening. I don't want anyone to miss out. And by the end of this video, you'll be getting yourself a free $100 deposit bonus to trade the live markets without risking your own funds. But before that, I want to congratulate Webby Markets. I talked about them some few days ago, and they got awarded with Best Global Forex Broker 2026. Big congratulations to them. And in case you're just coming across this channel, I want everyone to actually comment which country you're actually watching us from, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, I know you have friends and colleagues who are actually interested in getting a free capital to trade the live market. You can actually just share this video to them so that they don't miss out on opportunities like this. Now, like I said earlier, you'll be getting a $10 deposit bonus from this platform showing right here on your screen. And I don't want anyone to miss out on the process on how to go about it. Now, I'll be adding a link to the comment section which you can click on that will take you straight to the Telegram channel where you'll be getting the link to this platform. Now, without wasting time, in case you click on the link and it brings you right here, all you just have to do is to scroll up a little bit until you see at the bottom where it says no deposit bonus. In case you click on it and it takes you to where you just fill in your details, so you don't need to waste time, just continue with filling in your details. But once you get here, you see information just like this. You just have to scroll up until you click on no deposit bonus right there. You can see the $100 deposit bonus. Then it gives us more information about the bonus. Now, starting with, you see the bonus here at XShift will credit you with the $100 bonus on sign up with no deposits required. Now, this allows you to try out the company service and test choosing trading strategy, which means the no deposit bonus advantage. You can start trading without using your own funds. Quick verification process to receive the bonus. The $100 will be credited automatically within the app after the verification is completed. A powerful tool for partners. Withdraw $100 with no restriction after meeting the required turnover. Now, any trading strategy and robots are welcome. Now, you can see the details about the bonus. It's simple, straightforward, no twist to the terms and condition, and process on how to claim it is what I'll be talking about next. Now, you can see terms and condition. This is the full terms and condition which I want everyone to actually go through and take a proper review on it. Now, make sure you meet with every single terms and condition explained right here. Although I already briefed about it. Like, after taking a look at the terms and condition, if you scroll up to the bottom where you see get my no deposit bonus, this is what you click on. Now, this right here actually takes us to another interface where we have to start filling our details for registration, which means we actually need to create an account with them. Now, while waiting for the page to load, you can see right here, you just add your email or password. That's for those who have an account with them. And in case you don't, you need to click on this at the top right here that says sign up. Now, signing up, you need your email, you need a password, and after that, you click on this little box right here to agree to their terms and conditions, and you can now click on continue to log in. I just need to quickly add my email right here. Okay, and for the password, yep. All right. Okay, right there. So fill in the details and you click on continue. So from here, you can just proceed to confirmation, which means you just need to go to your email. A code will have been sent to your email. You copy the code, come back here to paste it, which I'll be doing right now. Right, so that's the code. You copy it. Paste right there, and then you click on continue. Now, for your full name, you add your full name, your country where you're from, and your mobile phone number right into these boxes right here. You should I don't expect anyone to have issues when registering because this process are pretty straightforward. So you add your mobile phone number, right there. So once these details have been filled, the next thing you click on continue once again, and then you proceed. Oh, already. Right there. So you have the mobile phone number. Now this actually happened because I already have an account with them, so I'm actually making this video for those who haven't claimed the bonus, any bonus from them. Now see, this actually welcomed me into the platform. Now say welcome to follower, like something like that. Now complete verification to unlock full access to all platform. Now all you need to do is to click on verify now, and wait for it to finish loading, and the next interface you should have details where you would submit your document. Now this process is actually very easy and accessible if you actually download their app. Now you see right here, you're about to submit sensitive data to them. Now all you need to do, since they're actually using a sum sub, agree to this terms and condition, click on continue, and you see, let's get you verified. Just start verification, which means you're actually submitting your I want to show you guys the details we should be submitting. You're submitting your proof of your document, which is either your NIN slip, your national ID card, your voter's card, or your passport, any of these documents right here, and you select it. NIN slip, and then you click on continue, and from there you click on continue once again and allow some sort of access camera. Or instead, in case you don't want some sort to access camera, you can just stop it, and then instead of allowing some sort to access camera, I think you have to take a picture. You have to take a picture of the document. Now, once you've submitted the document for verification, you need to just come back right here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your App Store to download their app. Now you just search for Xchef. Now Xchef right there. Now you search for their app. You get it, and that way you'll be able to get the bonus very quick. Now once you download their app, the next thing you need to wait for So after you're done downloading the app, you can see you just need to add your email address to log in into the app. So right here, I'll just input my email address. Right there, and immediately you click on this arrow and you see a code has been sent to your email. Now the next thing I need to do is to go to my email and then copy the code. Now since this is the first time I'm actually logging in into their app, which is what everyone would actually be facing also, you'd also get a code which you'll be needing to give you access into the app. So right there, I just need to get the code which was sent to my email for confirmation, which is actually a confirmation code. A confirmation code right there. So you just come back right here to paste it. I don't think they allow pasting. So you just come back right here to type it into the box right there. So immediately you're done typing it, you need to create a code which you'll be using to log in into the app and confirm the code. Now, in case you're interested, you can actually use Face ID also, which would actually give you quick access into the app anytime you want to log in. Now, you can see among the options right here, you see bonuses. Now, this right here is bonuses, which you click on, and right here in this place that says deposit bonus, you click on it. Now you see it says identity verification required, which you can just, that's if you haven't verified. But if you've verified, you would have the process on how to open an MT5, where you would open an MT5 account and it will be credited immediately. Now that's if you've been verified. Now, in case you're having issues with getting verified, I don't expect you to have issues with getting verified, because the process is pretty straightforward and they have quick verification. Now, right here under this place that says profile, in case you want to submit your document on the app, see the profile right here, click on identity verification, and then you get verified by submitting your document right here. Verify your identity. So you submit your document. You just need to take a picture of your document and then you submit it to their some sub right here. Now you see, you provide your document, do a lively check, and then you do a phone verification, which is pretty simple and easy for those who have the card to who have the card to do verification. That the process is very simple, and once you've gotten verified, you will get $100 bonus to start trading. Now, I'm sure everyone has understood this explanation which I just gave, and in case you miss out on any aspect of this video, just leave a comment in the comment section, typing what aspects you don't understand, and I'll be there to actually explain it to you to make sure you get every explanation clearly. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and turn on your notification, because anytime I drop updates like this, you always get notified, and immediately you'll be able to claim the bonus before it expires. Have a nice day, guys.